Hello Yummy, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I invited my friend here. She's called Mildred and today we are doing Tuo Zaafi. She came over to teach me how to do Tuo Zaafi.
Yes.
Sweetheart, say hi to my viewers.
Hello.
Okay, thank you. So if you are interested, let's get started. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. Also, if you find this video helpful, also don't forget to share to family and friends. Thank you so much to my returning viewers. Thank you also. So let's get started.
Yes.
What do we have here?
We have our meat.
Okay.
And
the meat is goat meat.
Yes.
And
wole. Yeah.
And
this one?
Yemadia.
Yemadia. You say it in Ghana, Yemadia.
Okay.
Yes.
And then Ninchinam.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, restish.
Then this. Ginger. Garlic and onion. Okay.
Yeah. And
we have our spices here.
For the meat.
Okay. This thyme.
Yes.
And this is anise seed, right? The Maggi.
Yeah.
Then we have 2 tin tomatoes here.
Yeah.
We have our pepper. Yeah. Then onions for the stew.
For the stew, yes.
Okay.
And this one we call it dawa.
Oh, okay.
Dawa.
And red oil.
Yeah.
Then tomatoes. You blended this.
Yeah.
Okay.
I use any tomatoes you like.
Tomatoes, but you use this.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
We use this. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we have our onion. Okra here. All right. And what
this one is for Ghana we call it konkonte.
Konkonte.
Yes. We call it konkonte.
So konkonte.
It's like this.
And then this is maize flour.
Maize flour. This one, yeah.
All right. Okay. So let's get started. And this is
ayoyo.
Okay.
You know, Ghana they have different ayoyo, but in Europe we use this one for our ayoyo. Okay. So you can use this one if you are in Europe.
Okay. It's called mulao.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
so first then what are we doing?
Yes. First you will start our meat.
Okay. So you first grind your ginger.
Yes.
And your garlic.
Yes.
Then onions, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to grind this. You can use blender to grind, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
You can use
Grind the spices differently.
Yeah.
Okay. So I should grind this.
Yes, please.
Okay, so she's adding the spices, the thyme and the anise seed.
Yes, it's true. Let me take my this thing. Wash it a little bit, then you add the rest like this. You see? Okay. Yeah. So our meats, see, look nice.
And the scent, I mean the smell.
It looks super lekker.
So you cover it, yeah?
Yes,
to allow it to cook.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You're adding the ginger.
Yes, I'm adding my ginger.
Okay. You mix it.
Yeah. Sure that everything will go inside the mix. Okay.
So you cover it.
Yes.
Okay.
You cover it.
While the meat is boiling?
Yeah.
We'll start with the stew.
Yes.
So you add your onion?
Yes. Sometimes you can blend the onion and the tomato and the pepper zusammen together. Yeah.
Okay.
German.
Okay.
Sorry. You can blend it together. Our meat is so nice and delicious. Pepper.
So whilst you are leaving the stew to cook, we will go ahead with the ewedu.
Nine. Ayoyo
stew. Okulo. Ayoyo with
okra stew.
So according to our
sister
Mildred, we are going to blend the ayoyo. So ayoyo.
Yes.
Okay, so what are you adding?
The okra.
Okay.
Yes.
The okra is the okra is blended, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's add the okra. Yeah.
Okay. Then what else?
Dawa. This one you can add a little bit of
water.
So that's
okay. So do you add salt?
if you like.
Okay.
But for me, I will not put salt.
Okay.
I will put a little bit Maggi.
Okay.
Or yeah, I think Maggi will be okay. Do it like this, so that you mix it.
Into no utimi de ubetimi de chef fridge.
Ubetimi da chef fridge.
Okay.
Ubetimi da chef fridge.
Dawa nini.
Dawa. So pa ubetimi abrandi and also ubetimi aposa wait my BBC.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maggi.
Yeah.
Wow, what do you because mean to me? I am to me and say, adding.
I need it. To be
Tuo
Zaafi.
Minya. Your Tuo Zaafi. A foreign in Sunio. Oh, sure, say it's washing. A bit well gonna tag, you know. I see the bronya tired you.
Oh. Hey.
Into where
Where you cook
now then I'll son it.
And because of India, it's a woman.
Okay.
So, yeah, I will say Indiano. Yes, and I say, okay. Now, Indiana gets in a F. Now, you need to try it. Come. Get me, I say,
we'll see it. It will know. Okay, so where you cooking?
No. Where in a blue no.
A blue
some no.
Okay. Into on hono.
We know. Emune cooking.
Into. Are they into share hono kakre bi
Sir. So she.
Hot water.
Yeah.
The bruni bekan. Na jema for bekano. Highs versa, yeah?
British.
Okay. Hey, I'm for. So where the cocoa?
There be no cocoa.
Where are the cocoa?
There be any cocoa. Say any, you know. And say, yes, for winning in our camera. And I wait me that come. I'm from camera was.
Yeah, made you into when I met me dear to her mamma diach. Oh,
we are for 2 times.
Okay.
Ashim. Look like a banku.
Okay. 2 day, a rubber,
yeah.
The mobile banku. Okay, you know, yeah, she, sir, what, I need Jane and you go for it. Aye,
yeah, they go so nice. You be kind, you design.
Yeah, but I look rich.
Yeah,
okay, you know,
it's no.
So, what's our when you be
a try? Must say,
okay,
and when you
okay.
Patrol, next year.
Wish ye cocoa crack. It's one function in the part of baby. Your function
come.
Okay.
The function come.
And one also Jenny and shoe.
The Pachmania crack. Me patrol ni.
Yeah, no.
Aye. Patrol, and I mean to yeah. Okay.
Hey, I'm up for. Tuo Zaafi your friend is sending you. Yeah. Into when obesi dem ho saben.
Me patrol and upa. Ade betimi amwo ho. O de camera no to so obo hu se onso kabanku wi hu se eni ne different than tama na o mesie no. Opeja a na stick na won't say no.
I say a camera not your lights and
A different. But all kind of for what's any white, pure white. That's all can we are. We say different crime.
We have been
trying.
Yeah, no.
Like, I mean, I'm going to